Lip care is an often overlooked aspect of grooming, especially among men. Neglecting your lips can lead to dryness, cracking, and discomfort. A dry, flaky lip is a turnoff for most women. But don't worry, we got you covered. Here are 4 lip care tips every handsome guy never misses. Exfoliation. Exfoliation is a vital step in maintaining smooth, healthy lips. Whether using a soft bristled toothbrush or a dedicated lip scrub, the process gently removes dry, dead skin cells, unveiling softer lips underneath. With a soft bristled toothbrush, after brushing your teeth, simply massage it over your lips in circular motions. Alternatively, apply a lip scrub and massage it into your lips before rinsing it off with lukewarm water. It's crucial to be gentle to avoid irritation. Hydration. Hydrating your lips is essential to maintain their health and smoothness. After exfoliating, take a moment to apply a moisturizing lip balm, chapstick, or Vaseline. These products create a protective layer that seals in moisture, preventing dryness and chapping. When choosing a lip product, opt for ones containing hydrating ingredients like shea butter, coconut oil, or vitamin E, as they provide deep nourishment and help repair any damage. UV protection. Just as you protect your skin from the sun's harmful rays, it's equally important to shield your lips. Sun damage can affect your lips, leading to dryness, premature aging, and even an increased risk of skin cancer. Therefore, it's essential to incorporate sun protection into your lip care routine. Opt for a lip balm that contains SPF to safeguard your lips from UV radiation, especially if you spend extended periods outdoors. By applying an SPF lip balm regularly, you create a barrier against the sun's harmful effects, ensuring your lips remain healthy and youthful. So, whether you're hitting the beach, going for a hike, or simply stepping outside for daily errands, don't forget to protect your lips with SPF to keep them looking and feeling their best. Stop licking your lips. Licking your lips might offer temporary relief from dryness, but it can actually worsen the problem in the long term. Saliva contains enzymes that break down the natural oils and protective barrier of your lips, leading to increased dryness and irritation over time. Additionally, as saliva evaporates, it takes moisture from your lips with it, leaving them even drier than before. Instead of relying on licking, which only provides short-lived relief, opt for a moisturizing lip balm. Lip balms help seal in moisture and provide lasting hydration without compromising your lips' natural defenses. By breaking the habit of licking your lips and consistently using a hydrating lip balm, you can maintain soft, smooth lips and avoid the cycle of dryness and irritation. By following these simple steps, you can ensure that your lips remain soft, smooth, and kissable all year round. Taking care of your lips not only enhances your appearance, but also contributes to your overall well-being.